We're on a quest to find the Gainesville Midland Railroad, and Google Maps has 209 West Academy in a completely different location. This is at West Academy and Broad Street, and you can see it over here where it's at. So let's go take a look. So here's the Gainesville Midland Railroad, and I tried to find this, and Google Maps had me going down like 300 yards in that direction. This is 209 West Academy, which is at the corner of West Academy Street and Jesse Jewell Parkway in Gainesville, Georgia. If I have the stats right on this locomotive was built in 1917. It was the last train ordered by the Tsar of Russia and served until I think 1959. And it is a monster. I love it. My grandfather worked on the railroads in South Carolina. I can only imagine if he ever saw this beauty in action. This is a quaint little park right here. I'd suggest if you're looking for it, you should find it. And it's number 209. That's nice. You can walk back here even and take a look. It's really cool. They've got this locked off, but it looks like if you know the right kind of people, they can let you up in there. How amazing is that? Oil capacity, 9 quarts SAE 40. Look at that beauty. Love it. Please no climbing. Thanks for watching. I wonder if the Oakity Chicago Blow-Off Valve Company is still in business. This is on the Gainesville Midland, number 209, Gainesville, Georgia. One of the other units they have here is this caboose, the Seaboard Airline Railroad through the heart of the South. They've got it so you can't climb on it, but it's interesting to look at. Amazing. I don't know much about this car right here, but I'm going to try and find out. I was able to peek inside this just for a moment, and it was empty. It says, is it minor or MTNER? It says apply release. How cool would it be to have some of these? You know, in the old days, they just used to junk these things. Amazing. I love it. One last thing I wanted to put on here is the cattle guard of the 209. Look at this. I have a hunch this is some sort of replacement. Looks like there's some spot welds in places. I doubt that's original. I bet it used to continue over further. But either way, it's interesting to look at. Who knows? Maybe that is original. Woo! I love it. This thing's a beast. Of note is this old rail station, which is down at Art Center in Gainesville, which is really close to that Gainesville Midland Railroad locomotive. It's cool. I love it too. It's part of the Smith Gall Art Center, or it is probably the hub of the Smith Gall Art Center. Look at this thing. My battery's about to die on my phone. I don't have my charger with me, so we'll just see what we can get. Over here, that's where that locomotive is. How cool is that? You got to come to Gainesville, check it out. Make sure when you're here to go by Atlas Pizza on the Square. That place is amazing. What a cool place.